Back from my trip to beautiful Jamaica, and here comes to my backyard, and I am here reaping some of the things that I have here, and I'm going to now give you a sneak preview. Doing some backyard reaping, harvesting at this time. Look, wow, just harvesting some callaloo, bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, mangoes, June plum, tomato, and I'm yet to go on my gooseberry to get some gooseberries from the tree. Stay tuned. Just got home and went to my backyard to pick some of these fruits and vegetables. You have more peppers there? Gooseberry, peppers, mangoes, tomatoes. Gungo and callaloo. I'm gonna give you an update next week again. My last update was almost a week ago. Came back updating you on this again. Beautiful, beautiful. It's always a great pleasure to come back in my garden and reap, and I can give away, and if you need a drink of peppermint tea, you can come right here, break your peppermint, all of that. Beautiful. Carrots are coming pretty good. I'm not gonna be doing a full update at this time. Just, wow, mango time. Isn't that good? Mango time. Well, I'm in my backyard for the third time in as many days to harvest fruits. Here I am again, just this time again with June plums. Got them mainly from the backyard here. Those you've seen me with most for the past 2 days were from my front yard, but the one tree way over there, it's the one I'm getting most of them from for this harvesting here. And I came upon my pumpkin here, which is my pumpkin squash. This is a Japanese version, and ripe and ready, so ready for pickings. It was this one is a small one. I have two bigger ones over there. Nevertheless, this is harvest time. In a short while, another couple of weeks or so, I'll be getting these onions. So the harvest is ripe, and the summer is coming on here right now. The next thing are the mangoes, of course, and then June plum, the sweet sap. I have a couple sour sap. You know what I'm going to do too? I'm going to get some leaves off this sour sap tree to make some tea. Is it tea or drink? To make some tea. Yes, the sour sap tree, you can only get them at a certain time because the leaves fall off and then comes back at this time. So I'm gonna take some leaves off and make some tea. And look at my gungo still. Can you imagine? This is April. I'm down into April. Today is April 20. I'm still having gungo. Still having gungo. So I'm gonna have to come out and in a couple of days and pick these off. Again, it's not, won't make a full meal, but we can put them aside until we get more. Because there's another tree over there that has some. And I think I have another tree way in the back there that has some as well over there. Over there, I have another tree that got some. But this sweet sap tree is blossoming beautifully. Beautifully. Look at these. And I'm telling you, these are going to hold. These will hold. Especially the lower limbs here, right down, even down in here, they usually hold. So I am a little bit proud, or should I say, I'm very proud rather, of what I'm seeing in terms of blossoms. Blossoms all over this tree this time. More than even last year, it seems, I don't know. So trusting all these blossoms will hold and I'll get a good harvesting from these, my treasure. Well, my nieceberry tree is full of blossoms. It's all over. Oh boy, I don't know how much of it is going to hold, but if they hold, it will be a beauty. I have I just picked a big one from this tree. These are very big naseberries, and they are sweet, very, very sweet. So I am holding my fingers crossed that I will have a good bearing from this tree. This is a younger tree. I think it is in its 4th or 5th year of bearing. I had to trim it because it's so close to my neighbors, and a big portion of it was hanging over my neighbor, so I had to cut that. I do not like to have my trees shading my neighbor. And the bigger tree here is a part of it was hanging over the house and I had to trim it. And that part of the tree, and you can see naseberry here and it's blossoming a whole lot as well. That part of the tree was the part that bears so much all the time. And regrettably, I had to cut that portion off. And again, all year I am getting naseberry from this tree. It bears all year round, so you would find naseberry at different stages. But I'm so glad that I'm able to have these fruit trees. They create a lot of shade at times, so I have to trim it. I always trim it back around after the bearing, maybe around in September or so. See that this portion of it here, I always trim it. And funny enough, it doesn't blossom as much on this side anymore since I started cutting it off. But what to do when you have only small spaces? So you just have to just make good of what you have. So again, guys, as you come and as you view, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell and click all so that when I put another video up, you will be the first to see it. Thanks again for joining. Until next time, be blessed.